Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're back on the floor in the position that I prefer. Didn't really like that plain background, felt like it was a bit lifeless. Got my blanket and my cup of tea. This is what's keeping me going to do this haul. As you can see by the title, I'm doing another Shein haul. I'm so excited. I tried all this stuff on yesterday and I was like, oh my god, this stuff is unreal. As always, this video is sponsored by Shein and the items were gifted. I do have a discount code which I'll pop on screen if you want to see what I got from Shein. Keep on watching. Gonna start with my favourite item that's on the trial clips. You'll probably see paired with absolutely everything because I'm obsessed. I picked up these. I'm absolutely obsessed. I have like cargo trousers already that are camo, but they're more like a straight camo, if you know what I mean, whereas this is more washed, which I prefer. I feel like this looks nicer. These are actually from the petite section. However, they still have that little bit of bag at the bottom of a jean that you want. I personally don't like when jeans just go straight down. I like when they have that little bit of bagginess on the bottom. So these are perfect for that. They're a little bit loose on the waist, but with these type of trousers, I prefer them to be low-waisted as opposed to covering my belly button. I just think that personally looks better. They're also a jean material, if you couldn't tell already. These trousers are my favourite item in the haul, without a doubt. I love everything, but these were just my favourite. Like, I just couldn't stop thinking about them because I love them so much. Then I got this little top. I've actually got the brown version of this and I love it. I absolutely love it. The only thing is this is a tiny bit see-through just because it is white. The material is kind of weird. It's like that ruchy kind of slightly mesh material. I don't know. As you can see, it's got a nice little texture on it. I love adding texture to outfits. It does have adjustable straps. It would look really nice with cargos or jeans, especially them camo ones. As I said, like, I wore basically all the tops in this haul with those cargos. Also, would be a really, really lovely like holiday top. I think they got this in black also. This top is kind of similar material-wise to the other one. As you can see, the chest bit is lined, but the rest is like a see-through mesh material, which I really like. The back is backless with some like straps to loop around the back. Always so difficult to put on, but look great. As I've said before, I like my back. Good thing is with this, you can tighten it as much as you want. Again, with them camo trousers, I will be referring to them for the rest of the haul, so be prepared for that. I actually saw this top on TikTok. I don't know why I actually picked it up, but I wanted it because I saw it on TikTok. Apparently, it's meant to be a Skims dupe. Now, I've never tried Skims before because it's really expensive, but it's probably worth the money. It's just a little t-shirt. It's that kind of swimming costume, soft lycra material. Because I haven't got much chest, it doesn't do the full Skims effect. If you wanted like a workout t-shirt or just a plain black t-shirt that's not see-through, this would be really good. They have so many colours of this. I feel like so many people own this top, but it's because it's just so cute. Little black cami, it's crisscross on the back. Again, so flattering. I love back details. And then it's got the detailing of these like rhinestone diamante things in a circle. Tops like this are good if you are small chested. I've wanted this top for so long because it's so cute and would just go with anything. Jeans, leggings, denim shorts, cargos. Very Y2K, euphoria vibes. I grabbed this cropped bomber. I always have issues trying to find a bomber that looks good on me because I am so small. My arms are quite short, so they puff on the sleeves. However, this has got like ruching on the sleeves, as you can see. I will be honest, the quality of this is not the best at all. If you're wanting a thick bomber, you're not going to like this. However, if it's summer and you wanted a jacket, like you feel like it's going to be cold later or something, this will be great. I tried this on and I love how cropped it is. It's the perfect crop. It's not that awkward one or it's not too cropped. It's just amazing. It has got cuffs here and at the bottom. If he was wearing khaki, this would look great. I'm hoping they have a black one of this because it will go with more. Can't wait to show you this set. Now, I don't know if this is a dupe for Jaded London, but it's giving me very Jaded London vibes. So this is just the skirt and then I'll show you the top. That's the top for it. Really love the feel of this. It's a very soft ribbed material. Print on it is printed amazingly. The fit of it as well is just beautiful. Then here's the skirt, got elasticated bands, same print followed on. This with some black high knee boots and like a sleek pony would look sick. I don't know if this is meant to sit low waisted or high waisted, but it fits me better low-waisted, but then it goes a little bit long. This would be good for a festival, or if you're going to a party and you want it to be more chill, like you don't want to be too out there, you can also wear it with like trainers or something. I saw this and I was so excited because I'm pretty sure it is Jaded London that have one like this, but I really wanted it because a lot of Jaded stuff is not stuff you can reuse. Like, yeah, you can wear the skirt with just a plain white top or a black top if you wanted, and the top you can wear with absolutely anything. So that's where I feel like I get the most use out of, but I don't know. Then we'll go on to this dress. I'll just hold it up like this because the charm clip will save me. I'm really sad about this. I really wanted to wear this to Venice because me and my boyfriend are going to Venice. You can't really see on camera that much, but it's neon. It was meant to be like a pastel orange, but it come neon, so I was a bit sad. The back detailing on it is beautiful. It's got a split up the leg, and it is from the petite section, so it's not super long. It comes to such a flattering length. It was a little bit loose on the stomach, but that's fine. I wouldn't have cared at all. As I said, it was too neon, and I'm really sad about it because I was so excited. But the quality, it's really soft, and if you like this colour, then you know, you do you. You'll love it. But I, however, wanted it a different colour to that. Let's get on to a little PJ set. I love Shein's underwear, sets, pyjamas, anything like that. And the only thing I have issues with is sometimes they're a little bit big. But I saw that this was a size extra small because Shein's small does not fit me. Extra small fits, sometimes a little bit big, but most of the time fits. So it comes as a 3-piece. But these are the shorts, little pyjama shorts, elasticated waistbands, lacing at the bottom, and a satin material. These fit beautifully. Then the top is quite different. I don't really remember looking at it, to be fair. Really cute. Doesn't have any stretch because it's satin, but it does have adjustable straps, which I like. And then it comes with the bottoms. The bottoms are too long for me. Of course, I wasn't too bothered about the bottoms. It has that lace trimming on the bottom, and then it's just a plain satin pyjama. Their pyjamas are so nice. I have so many, and they're so cheap, and they're really good quality. They wash well as well. Just put them on a delicate wash and they're great. I'm still not sure on this dress, so I will need everyone's opinions on it. I saw a dress like this in Hollister, and I really wanted it with some like black boots. I thought that would be really cute, but it was too big for me, so I thought maybe I could find it on Shein. It's actually bad how I always think like that. This is from the petite section because I wanted it to be short. It's still not at the length I want. I do want it shorter, but I know, I'm trying to do the most. I need to stop. Thick waistband here, kind of ruchy material. Then it flows out like a little skater skirt. Has elasticated here and along the top. And it's just a little puff sleeve. Again, I thought it would be cute for when I go to Venice or even summer. Oh, I need to talk about these. Right. Shein's Petite, I've spoke about it so many times. I love it. But these joggers, it's so hard to find a pair of joggers that fit you and are slim fit. I love a baggy jogger. I absolutely love it. But sometimes I do want to feel a bit cuter in a slim fit jogger. But sometimes they're just not it. Like the bottoms won't be cuffed. There'll be that like thick material and it's not that like ruched cuffed. And anyway, Shein have hit the mark. They've gone above and beyond. I already own a pair of these, but I wanted another pair because my pair are dying. It's just a plain jogger, as you can see, but they are the perfect length for me. And you know when you pull them up, they stay up, which is unreal. They fit me perfectly everywhere. They've got pockets, they've got a drawstring, cuffed bottoms, they're good quality, they wash well, they're so soft on the inside. I have got a white pair of these as well, but I always gravitate towards the black. If you are small and you're looking for a slim fit jogger, if you wanted them a bit baggier, then you could size up. Let's get on to a little gym jacket. So I grabbed this gym jacket. One, Shein's gym wear is great, such good quality and affordable. Plus, again, TikTok, the famous BBL jacket. I'm not about to spend however much it is for the Lululemon one. First of all, I'm in the UK. Second of all, I'm not going to pay that price. So I've been looking for a dupe. This doesn't give you BBL. It doesn't cinch you in, but it gives you figure and it looks cute and it's good quality. So if you do actually work out, you might like it. Just a black sports jacket, but it is really good quality. It is thick. I feel like this will keep you so warm. Has got the finger holes and the zip throughout, and it's got pockets. This is just great. Honestly, I cannot fault this at all. Is this for a child? I'm going to take an Instagram photo in this top with them camo trousers because I just have to. It stretches out really wide, don't worry. They have this in a few colours. I've got a navy one, but the black one is just unreal. Super flattering. You wouldn't think. You'd think, oh yeah, just a bit of knitting material. Like, what's it going to do? Let me tell you, it gave chest. It gave chest, it gave support. It was just so flattering and I absolutely loved it. Not much to say about it. It literally is, it's a bit of wool. I then grabbed another pair of camo trousers because I saw a girl I follow on TikTok grab these. She looks amazing. I do not. Too big for me. Around the waist. They sat low-waisted, but like a little bit lower, like honestly falling off. They are sick because they've got these like tassels, and they are a great wash. They were in waist size, they were waist 25. I'm not waist 25 clearly because they were just too big. But it does have drawstrings on the bottom, so you can kind of pull them, cinch them in a bit. But they were too long as well, just way too long. But if you are a waist 25 and you are taller than 5 foot, I was about to say it's 5 foot something, don't lie, you're just 5 foot. If you're taller than 5 foot, you would love these because I think these are sick. She wore them with like a black hoodie and stuff. It would look great with all them tops. It's basically the same as them other camo ones. I don't know why I wanted to get both. I seem to have grabbed a lot from the petite section at Shein. It's just so much better than the normal section because I basically know it's going to fit. So I got this skirt. You love or you hate it. I feel like I used to wear these so much when I was little. Denim skirt. She's cute. She fits perfectly. She's got stretch. She's comfortable. I love it. Again, any of them tops would look great. So nice for summer or if you're on holiday. I love that the bottom's raw hem as well. It's like you've just cut a pair of jeans. So comfortable. I don't know if it suits me yet, so again, you'll have to let me know. But I personally really love it and I wanted it, so I got it. Another petite thing I need to start. These trousers, again, I'm not sure. It's only because of the bottoms. Right, love them, but then the bottoms are like a turn up. I saw that in the picture, but I thought I could undo it, but you can't. So maybe if I like pull at the threads, yeah, maybe I could cut them threads, yeah. If I cut them threads, I would love these because again, for Venice, I think they would look great. Got white drawstrings. I don't know if I like them, so I might take them out or just tuck them in. They're like a crepe material. They are quite thin, but they're for summer and like holidays with like a cropped shirt or a shirt like tied up. This would look really nice, especially if you want to go a bit more classy. Or if you was going to like a wedding or something and you wanted to wear trousers, wear like a nice formal top and a blazer with this. This would look really cute. And I love beige. I think with my fur coat and a white crop shirt, as I said, would look really nice. But the fit on them is perfect. They fit me perfectly around the waist. They sit so nicely on my legs. And lengthwise, they were like so perfect. You need to see them on. You need to wait for the trial clip because what is that? They are ruched cargos. I have a black pair of these. I posted them on my TikTok and Instagram before and everyone loved them. They have a khaki pair. They've got them in so many colours, but I love the khaki pair because I used to have a pair of trousers from a different brand like these, but they were a bit too big, so I wanted these ones. They did have grey, but it keeps selling out and it's really annoying because I really want the grey ones. Like grey ruched cargos I think are so nice, but they have kind of a pulley waist like this. They are a bit on the thin side and they are a bit annoying when you walk, like they just rub together. Who really cares? Who cares? I love khaki. I always wear khaki. I don't even think it suits me. I just always wear khaki. Khaki and white looks great with like a white long sleeve crop would look so nice. Or if you wanted to do the most, wear this with that cropped bomber jacket if you wanted to go full on khaki. Again, from the petite section. Got this set. Saw this on a girl on TikTok and she looked unreal. So it's a midi skirt with a split down the sides, elasticated waist. The waist is a little bit big for me, I don't know. And then it's a ribbed material. Beautiful baby blue colour. Beautiful. And it comes with the top. I love the cut of this. I find it so flattering. And then it's long sleeved. I love a long sleeve. It's the perfect amount of crop, so there's enough like skin to covered ratio. Things like this, you need a bit of like stomach out just so it looks more flattering. You could wear this on a night out with heels, like clear heels or like white heels with a bag. Again, on holiday. I know I keep saying that, but you know, we're getting more into summer now. So, I mean, we are in summer. Doesn't feel like it, but we are. Last item from the petite section, I promise. I haven't zipped this up, so wait for the trial clip. I feel like every brand sells these. It's just a half zip up top, so you can have it fully zipped or partly zipped on the bottom and on the top. It's up to you. It's long sleeved, it's black, not see-through, and then it comes with the bottoms. The bottoms are just like a plain legging, but then it has the split hem. I've been on a search for a split hem pair of leggings that fit nice. These fit nice, just a little bit loose on the waist, just so when you wear like shoes, it kind of curves over. I don't know, I really like that. You could also wear this on a night out with a pair of clear heels if you wanted to go more chill. Or if you're like me and you don't leave the house, just a pair of trainers. Absolutely love when the camera cuts off when I'm talking. Don't remember what I was saying about this set, but it's cute. I don't know what I was saying. But we are on to our last item. The item smells really weird, and I hate when clothes come smelling weird. But anyway, it's a crop jacket. This is the epitome of crops. Like, wait till you see it on. It's literally here. I mean, what do I expect? The picture literally shows how cropped it is. But it's a really nice fit. I was thinking you could do like a double denim moment with some denim shorts, a denim jacket with a white top, or you can do jeans. Or if what I was thinking, like a summer dress with this. It is fairly nice quality, but you know, you get what you pay for. I'm pretty sure this is from the petite section, so I might have actually lied. I do think it's from the petite section. They have a couple washes of these. They have so many denim jackets on Shein. Like, if you want raw hem or you don't want raw hem, if you want colourful, if you want white, if you want black, if you want blue, if you want different shades of blue, do you want acid wash, do you want normal wash? Have it all. Anyway, guys, that is the end of my Shein haul. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to use my discount code. Let me know your favourite item or any other hauls you want me to do. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.